FixQuick is the new ultra-fast leak stop from Aerocom. Designed and proven for air conditioning and refrigeration systems, FixQuick seals leaks up to 1 millimeter in diameter with just 4 simple steps. FixQuick is a 2-part system: the Step 1 liquid with the white top and the Step 2 powder with the blue top, enough to fix about 10 leaks. The liquid and powder combine to produce a powerful epoxy that works on copper and aluminum, whether flat or curved. FixQuick is specifically designed for HVAC professionals and is compatible with all refrigerants and lubricants. Let's go through the process. Before you start, snip the tip off the blue bottle. Thoroughly clean the area around the leak. Make sure the surface is completely clean and dry. Paint the FixQuick Step 1 liquid over and around the leak without applying any pressure. Take the FixQuick Step 2 bottle with the blue top and sprinkle a thin layer of powder over the liquid. Make sure the powder is evenly distributed. Apply the FixQuick Step 1 liquid over the powder and wait as FixQuick creates a powerful seal. In 20 seconds, FixQuick repairs the leak up to 20 bar or 290 psi. In 20 minutes, FixQuick repairs the leak up to 50 bar or 725 psi and can withstand heat up to 250 degrees Celsius or 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's cured, pressurize the system and your FixQuick repair is done. Here's a tip for leaks that are on the side or underneath. Paint the Step 1 liquid over and around the leak with the brush on the white top. Then, sprinkle the Step 2 powder onto the brush and apply the powder over the liquid. Wipe any excess powder off the brush and use it to paint the Step 1 liquid over the powder. FixQuick is visible with a UV light, helpful for identifying the repair or if you want to braze it later. FixQuick is a must-have truck stock item. It works on aluminum and copper, whether flat or curved, for holes up to 1 millimeter. It's tested and compatible with all refrigerants and lubricants and won't dissolve over time. Plus, it won't void warranties since it's applied externally with nothing entering the system. FixQuick is a great solution when coils are on back order, either for a temporary fix or a permanent repair. It's great for safe, quick repairs in supermarkets, schools, hotels, and hospitals where flames are prohibited, and for older units that must be up and running at all times. FixQuick by Aerocom, the professional's choice.